Question for 13 July. Use the calculator to show that the line y equals 8x plus 10 is a tangent line to the graph of a function fx equals blah 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 blah. This is a cubic function. If I see this question, no, a function like this, like I said before, always the first in your mind, you need to tell yourself, I need to schedule a graph for this function. It will help you a lot. So the coefficient of the highest power is positive, so it should go up like this. Okay, so now the question asks for show why this line is a tangent line to this function. So when we talking about the tangent line, so we always do the differentiation. So the first step, do the differentiation step. So I do find the gradient function f dash x equals 9x squared minus 1. So the second step, we haven't done this same question as this one before. You need to figure out the next step. You need to understand, in my word, I call it the interpretation, the information from this word, from this the question, okay, the sentence of this question. So which means the 8, this line's gradient is 8. 8 is equal to this function, new function, gradient function. So which means 9x squared minus 1 equals 8. So I try to solve this equation, get the x value. So the 9x squared equals, both sides plus 1 is 9. So both sides divided by 9 equals 9x squared equals 1, which give me two numbers, x negative 1 or x equals 1. It doesn't mean this question have two different answers. Why? Let's go. Let's keep going on. You will know why. So when I have when x equals negative 1, when I put the value into this point, this line, so I get a value y equals what is it, 8 times negative 1 plus 10, right? So it's give me 2, positive 2. So when I substitute this number, put this x value into this original function fx, so it give me f of negative 1 equals 3 times negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 plus 4, which gives me this negative 3, the positive 1. Yeah, this is a 2, number 2. They are the same, which means they go through the same point, which means I made a mistake about this. Yeah, they means this line. Both means point. Yeah, I should say it like this. Point negative 1, comma 2 sit, or I would say locate on both line and this cubic curve. Right? So that makes a lot of sense. So let's see, this point is a negative 1, comma 2. So sit on the curve, and also a line goes through this point, only touch at this point. That's exactly the meaning of the tangent line. When we check another point, let's see, I will change the color. So let's see, when x equals 1 and the y value put inside the line equation, so 8 times 1 plus 10 is 18. So when I put into the curve functions, f of 1, positive 1 equals 3 times 1 cubed minus 1 plus 4, what is it? This is 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. See, they are different. So that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. We cannot say this line which means this line that at this point at some point when let's see, I want more explanation. Actually, we can stop here. We already got the finance. I just want you to understand more. Let's see, x value equals 1 here. It's here. This is x equals -1. We already proved this is a correct answer. So for another one, let x equals 1. Here there is a point on the curve, and it's 1, 6. See, the x over 1 is 6. But another line, another y equals 8x plus 10, this line goes through another point, not a 1,6. It's in 1,18. So it's up somewhere here. It's 1,18. So it's that line, of course, with the same gradient, is parallel to this another dashed line, but it's not the tangent line of this curve, right? So they just only have the same gradient. It doesn't meet another requirement. They didn't go through the same point. So we don't take this answer. We take the answer for another one. So that's how we prove this y equals 8x plus 10. It's a tangent line.